First things first, appreciate your support. So a quick way to remove water solenoid filter: close the main tap, then unplug the pipe that fits on the solenoid valves. Simple. Removing it with your hand, bare hands, might be hectic. So get a pliers, then pull it out. Clean. Make sure that all the sediments are out. Then plug it back. Before plugging it back, just get a piece of cloth that is clean. Wipe the solenoid valve from the outside, where it fits, I mean, the casing. You see there are still sediments in there, so wipe that. Then plug back the solenoid, the filter. Like this one had one. Other machines have two filters. So ensure all are out, clean, then plug it back. It's very, very simple. Very simple. This happens when you don't clean the solenoid valves. Like now, this is the water inlet system of a front load washing machine, two-way valves. So if you don't clean the filter, this is what happens. These two solenoid valves overheat. When they overheat, the machine doesn't get enough water. So if it was do a quick 30, let's say you put it on a quick 30 or a quick 15, yes, dashboard will read 15 minutes, but it will take forever to wash. Like 15 minutes, but it's taking like an hour to wash. If you're unlucky, the solenoid valves overheat and they might affect the control panel. That's the motherboard. So you'll end up replacing the valves and the motherboard. Something else simple: if you check on the dispensing compartment in there, like this is the full one, so if you check in there, there is a sieve also. So it's something simple. Take a brush, a piece of cloth, scrub in there, because that's if the sieve is blocked, the machine also won't get enough water, and also the machine starts smelling. So simple. Ensure the filters are clear. Scrub the comparting system, the dispensing system, the whole housing with a simple brush and a piece of cloth.